Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the spring manicure design using dot flowers. So I have a fresh set of gel X applied and I have my nails prepped and ready to go. The first color we're going to be using is the Persian Sea from Madam Glam. This is from their recent April launch. I'll leave a link to that video down below because I will be using a lot of the colors from that collection. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my pinky, my pointer, and my thumb. Next, we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Pivot, my all-time favorite nudie pink background. I'm going to paint this on my two middle fingers. I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of both of these colors. Now to make our palette for the dot flowers, we'll take that same Persian Sea that I have on my other nails. Then we're going to take Lotus Fever, which is a baby pink shade, the Core, which is a brighter pink shade, Purple Hero, which is a darker purple, and then Honeycomb, which is a off-white yellow shade. And then all you're going to have to do is take a dotting tool. You're going to pick your color that you're going to do your flower in. You're going to do 5 dots. So 1 on the center, 2 on each side, and then 2 on the bottom. And then that's your flower. We'll go in later and add the center of the flowers. But I'm just going to go in, do the flowers scattered all over the nails. I am going to flash cure for 10 seconds in between each color. And then I just go on to the next color, create my scattered flowers, flash cure, and just go back and forth. Once I have all of the flowers down, then I go in with Honeycomb, which is our off-white yellow, and we're going to do the centers of all of the flowers in this color. And then I'm also going to fill in any negative space with a couple of the dots in yellow as well. And on my middle finger, we're going to do this same sort of scattered flowers, but we're going to keep it kind of like in a crescent moon shape. So we're not doing the full nail, we're just doing part of the nail. Now I'm going to go in with top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how the nails came out. They are perfect for springtime, and I loved how the dot flowers gives it like a little bit of texture as well with all of the dots on there. And I feel like the April collection from Madam Glam is a really nice spring collection. All of the colors really go nicely together. So this is how I put together a spring manicure. And Madam Glam is currently doing a shopping event, so I have a new code. This is going to be for 2 days, April 15th and the 16th. The code is going to be Amy50. There will also be a link in the description box down below. You'll get 50% off of Madam Glam with a minimum purchase of 3 items. So definitely go get your new spring colors from Madam Glam with my new code. Again, April 15th and 16th only, so definitely don't forget. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.